Charcuterie boards are a very popular thing nowadays, and me being a woodworker, that's a good thing. These boards definitely keep me busy, especially around the holidays. And honestly, they're not that difficult to make. Once you have all of the needed tools, it's a pretty straightforward process. Just like any woodworking project, the sanding is always tedious and time-consuming, but there is nothing more tedious and time-consuming than these handles. You gotta shape them, you gotta carve them, you gotta use a little foam sanding block to sand in every little nook and cranny, and you gotta do that with every grit until it's nice and smooth. Or at least I have to. I'm very OCD when it comes to my pieces, and I just love them to have a nice, smooth, buttery finish. But after all of that sanding, you get to finally put on the first coat of finish, and that's when it all becomes worth it. I love the way figured black walnut looks. What do you guys think?